transformer right here for y'all. Still need the mid pipes for the car. I was searching around. Being as though my car is already loud, I was trying to find some stock 6.1 mid pipes, but that's on. We're not on that right now. So I'm gonna get into this with y'all. I think I know how to do it, but I'm going through instructions and stuff. So it's 8 wires. I'm gonna show y'all the 8 wires. I'm gonna switch the camera. So this is the AZ. So I guess that's mine, but it's 8 wires. This is for the I believe the TCM or whatever. No. I forgot what it's for, but these four are for down here, right here. I believe 3 go right here, and then 1 connects to these 2 right here, the upper control. So I'm gonna get in here, start because I'm the only one recording. I believe the other 4 goes somewhere right here. But I'm gonna get in here and start doing this, and I'll get back with you when I'm done with it. So I got all my connectors on, all 8 of them. As you can see, all right here. So I'm gonna start putting everything back together. Well, put it on, and then I'll show you. So I'm over here messing with this. I don't know how to use that portion of it, but okay, let me get that. You see it say burnout, line lock, launch. Those are the only 3 I really know how to use. That say burnout. What I really bought this for was the launch. That's probably what I'm gonna be using it for most. I catch somebody at a red light or something, but the features that I would like to let me see. I know it's a couple features. I wanted to stiffen up the transmission a little bit. So yeah, you see how it does that? I don't. So I don't know how you do it. Okay, let's see. It'll go up like 2. See what? I don't get this part. Because I don't have digital, my transmission, like when it pops up, you see, this what tells me my transmission. Other than that, I just need to figure out how to work that and everything, I think, and get the 0 to 60s. But as of now, what I really bought it for was the launching, because I was thinking about doing both things, the line lock and something for launching, like a what do they call I forgot what they call, but for now, like, I'm gonna do another launch one for y'all. Put it in launch for y'all. Oh, forgot you gotta put it in auto stick. So I'm gonna put another torque converter in here, cause like it actually came out itself, but it only goes to like 2,000 RPMs, and then I guess jumps out of it. But I'm going to put another torque converter in here. Might just even get a transmission tune, who knows, because I just wanted to stiffen up this transmission enough if I can't get control of that, because you know some things did vary on what I could do, because I have an 05 through 06. I wasn't, I got most of the stuff I want. I mean, can't get everything, but I'm gonna wrap this video up. So for now, what I have is line lock, burnout. I guess that's for a long stretch, like quarter mile, whatever. Burnout and launch mode. Those are the 3 settings that I have. Well, that I know that I have. Yeah, that's about it. I can live with them. I could get a for 0 to 60s. I can get something for 0 to 60s and stuff like that. I'm not mad that I can't get it, because the guy who video I seen it, he had a little digital. It was something digital somewhere right here that was telling him 0 to 60 times. I don't think I have it, because I have, you know, one of the first vehicles that was even produced. Probably if I took it out and put it in my other car, it'd probably work just fine. But I got most of the things that I want. I'm gonna try and see if I could switch through gears with this. That's what I seen people doing, and that's probably it. You know, thanks for watching. Like, rate, subscribe. I'll be back at you with another thing. Is now traction control actually, I believe, goes all the way off, at least more. And from the steering wheel, you see, I can shift through gears. Well, I had to put it back in, but I can shift through gears without even taking my hand off the steering wheel.